Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install credit card budgeting with Monarch Money in the USA. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using Monarch Money for credit card budgeting, visit the Monarch Money website. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Once registered, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your newly created account. On the dashboard, locate the Accounts section. Click on Add Account to start connecting your credit card. Search for your credit card provider in the list. Select your provider and enter your login credentials for that account. Follow any prompts to authenticate your connection securely. Once connected, your credit card transactions will automatically sync to Monarch Money. Navigate to the Budget section to begin setting up your budget. Choose the credit card option to focus specifically on credit budgets. Determine your spending categories based on your typical expenses. Set limits for each category to control your spending. Review your current monthly spending patterns suggested by Monarch Money. Adjust your budget as necessary to align with your financial goals. Monitor your progress regularly by checking the budgeting dashboard. Use the Reports feature to analyze your spending trends over time. Make adjustments to your budget as needed to stay on track. Take advantage of Monarch Money's mobile app for budgeting on the go. Stay informed about any upcoming bills linked to your credit cards. Engage with the community forums for tips and support on budgeting. Utilize Monarch's educational resources to improve your financial literacy. Regularly review your financial goals to ensure they align with your budget. Make the most of Monarch Money to achieve better control over your credit card spending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.